From the icy plains of the Arctic to the lush wetlands of the tropics, ducks are found across the globe, thriving in a remarkable array of habitats. These feathered marvels, with their waterproof plumage and webbed feet, are masters of both land and water. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of ducks living in the wild, exploring their diverse behaviors and the challenges they face. We'll be exploring 7 incredible species, each with its own unique adaptations and characteristics. From the vibrant hues of the mandarin duck to the understated elegance of the gadwall, we'll uncover the secrets of their survival. Join me as we journey into the heart of nature, witnessing the beauty and resilience of these remarkable creatures. Prepare to be captivated by the intricate courtship displays of the northern pintail and the extraordinary nesting habits of the wood duck. We'll delve into the world of the mallard, one of the most recognizable duck species, and uncover the hidden lives of the American black duck. Get ready to witness the wonders of the duck world, a world teeming with life, beauty, and endless fascination. Perhaps the most familiar sight on park ponds and city lakes, the mallard is a ubiquitous denizen of waterways across the northern hemisphere. The male, resplendent in his emerald green head and contrasting white collar, is a striking sight. This iridescent plumage, a product of intricate feather structures reflecting light, is crucial during courtship displays. Females, clad in a more subtle yet equally effective camouflage of mottled brown, are perfectly adapted for blending into their surroundings, especially while nesting. Their muted colors provide excellent concealment from predators, allowing them to incubate their eggs in relative safety. Mallards are dabbling ducks, meaning they feed primarily at the surface, upending their bodies to reach aquatic plants and insects. Their bills, uniquely adapted for this feeding style, are equipped with sensitive edges called lamellae, which act like sieves to filter food from the water. This adaptable lifestyle and opportunistic feeding behavior have allowed the mallard to thrive in a variety of habitats, from pristine wetlands to urban environments, making them a truly successful species. As spring arrives, courtship rituals begin, with males engaging in elaborate displays of head-bobbing, tail-wagging, and whistling calls to attract a mate. Once paired, the female mallard will seek out a suitable nesting site, often concealed amongst vegetation near water. The nest, a simple scrape in the ground lined with soft down feathers, will soon be filled with a clutch of 8 to 12 pale blue-green eggs. The female takes sole responsibility for incubation, diligently warming the eggs for around 28 days until they hatch. Upon hatching, the ducklings, covered in soft down and already possessing an instinct to swim, are led by their mother to the water. These tiny fluffballs are incredibly vulnerable at this stage, relying heavily on their mother for protection and guidance. The mother mallard fiercely protects her brood, guiding them to feeding grounds, teaching them essential survival skills, and defending them from predators. Within a few short weeks, the ducklings will grow their flight feathers, gaining independence and eventually taking to the skies. Venturing deeper into the woodlands, we encounter a duck of breathtaking beauty. The wood duck. This species, aptly named for its preference for forested wetlands, is a true spectacle of nature, adorned with a vibrant tapestry of colors. The male, a dazzling masterpiece of evolution, sports a striking combination of iridescent green, chestnut, and white plumage. Atop its head sits a crest of elongated feathers resembling a regal crown, which can be raised or lowered depending on the duck's mood. Its face is adorned with bold white markings, contrasting sharply with its red eyes and red and white bill, creating a mesmerizing display of color and pattern. The female, while less flamboyantly colored, possesses an understated elegance, with her warm brown plumage and striking white teardrop-shaped eye-rings. This subtle coloration provides excellent camouflage whilst nesting, a crucial adaptation for a species that chooses such unusual nesting sites. Unlike most ducks, wood ducks are cavity nesters, seeking out natural hollows in trees, often those created by woodpeckers or decay. This unique nesting strategy offers them a degree of protection from ground-dwelling predators. Finding a suitable cavity can be a challenge, and competition for prime nesting sites is fierce. Wood ducks will often return to the same nesting area year after year, with males fiercely defending their chosen territories. Once a suitable cavity is found, the female will line it with soft down feathers, creating a safe and warm haven for her eggs. She will lay a clutch of 10 to 15 eggs, incubating them for around 30 days. What follows is a remarkable feat of avian acrobatics. Shortly after hatching, the ducklings, encouraged by their mother's soft calls from below, must navigate the perilous journey from their high-rise home to the safety of the water. These tiny, down-covered creatures bravely tumble from the nest, their falls cushioned by their lightweight bodies and the undergrowth below. Guided by their mother's calls, they make their way to the water, embarking on a life amongst the secluded waterways of their woodland home. And now we come across a duck known for its elegance and grace, the northern pintail. With its long, slender neck and pointed tail feathers, this duck is a sight to behold as it glides effortlessly across the water. The male northern pintail, with its chocolate brown head, white breast and grey body, is a handsome creature indeed. The female, while more subtly coloured, possesses the same elegant form. The northern pintail favours open wetlands and marshes, where it uses its specialised bill to filter food from the water. They are primarily herbivorous, feeding on seeds, aquatic plants and invertebrates. Northern pintails are known for their impressive migrations, travelling thousands of miles from their breeding grounds in the northern parts of North America to their wintering grounds in the south. These journeys are fraught with danger, as the ducks must navigate treacherous weather conditions and avoid predators. But the urge to reach their destination is strong, driven by the need to find food and suitable breeding grounds. As the seasons change, we bid farewell to the northern pintail, this graceful traveller of the skies, knowing that its journey is far from over. They remind us of the interconnectedness of our planet and the remarkable journeys undertaken by even the smallest of creatures. Few sights in the avian world can rival the dazzling spectacle of the mandarin duck. Native to East Asia, this small duck is renowned for its vibrant and elaborate plumage, particularly the males. The male mandarin duck is a riot of colour, with a green and copper crest, white stripes above the eyes, and orange sails formed by elongated feathers on its back. Its breast is a rich purple, and its flanks are a tapestry of intricate patterns. The female, while more subdued in coloration, is no less elegant, with a grey head, brown back, and delicate white eye ring. Mandarin ducks are a symbol of love and fidelity in many Asian cultures, often depicted in art and literature. Though native to East Asia, mandarin ducks have been introduced to other parts of the world, including Europe and North America, where they have established feral populations. They are adaptable birds thriving in a variety of habitats, from wooded wetlands to urban parks. Mandarin ducks are cavity nesters, meaning they build their nests in tree hollows, often high above the ground. This nesting strategy provides protection from predators and allows them to raise their young in relative safety. Despite their small size, mandarin ducks are remarkably resilient. They have faced habitat loss and other threats, yet their populations have remained relatively stable. Their story is a testament to the adaptability and resilience of nature. We venture now into the heart of freshwater wetlands, where we encounter a duck known for its dark plumage and secretive nature, the American black duck. Often mistaken for its close relative, the mallard, the American black duck possesses a subtle beauty all its own. The male American black duck is a study in shades of brown, with a darker head and neck, a brown body and a distinctive black bill. The female is similar in appearance, with a slightly lighter coloration, providing excellent camouflage in their wetland homes. American black ducks are highly adapted to life in freshwater wetlands. Their webbed feet allow them to navigate shallow water with ease, and their specialized bills are perfectly designed for foraging for food in mud and vegetation. The American black duck is a reminder of the vital importance of wetlands. These rich and diverse ecosystems provide essential habitat for a wide array of plant and animal life, including the American black duck. Sadly, wetlands around the world are facing increasing threats from human activities such as drainage for agriculture and development. The loss of these vital habitats has a profound impact on the species that depend on them, including the American black duck. Conservation efforts are underway to protect and restore wetlands, ensuring that the American black duck and other species that call these habitats home have a fighting chance for survival. The future of these ducks is intertwined with our own, reminding us that we must all do our part to protect our planet's precious resources. Meet the gadwall, a duck with a quiet beauty. Its plumage, a blend of browns, greys and blacks, reveals intricate patterns. The male sports a distinctive white wing patch noticeable in flight. This marking helps birdwatchers identify the gadwall. The gadwall thrives in various wetland environments. Its adaptability has led to a wide distribution across continents. The gadwall's resilience and charm make it fascinating. Gadwalls are dabblers, meaning they feed primarily in shallow water, often tipping their bodies forward to reach submerged plants and invertebrates. Their broad bills, especially adapted for filtering food from the water, are perfectly suited to this feeding strategy. You'll often find gadwalls in the company of other dabbling ducks, such as mallards and northern pintails, foraging peacefully alongside one another. This tolerance for other species is another testament to the gadwall's adaptable nature, allowing it to share resources and thrive in diverse wetland communities. During the breeding season, gadwalls form monogamous pairs, with both parents sharing the responsibilities of raising their young. The female typically lays between 8 and 12 eggs in a nest, concealed amongst dense vegetation near the water's edge. Once hatched, the ducklings are immediately capable of swimming and feeding themselves, following their parents closely as they learn the ways of the wetland. The gadwall's life cycle, a delicate balance of survival and reproduction, is a testament to the enduring power of nature's design. Our journey through the world of ducks now brings us to a truly striking species, the redhead. As its name aptly suggests, this duck is instantly recognizable by the male's vibrant reddish-brown head, a beacon of color that stands out against the greens and browns of its wetland home. This striking plumage, however, is not merely decorative. It plays a crucial role in attracting a mate during the breeding season, serving as a visual signal of the male's health and vigor. The female redhead, while less vibrantly colored, possesses a subtle beauty of her own, with a warm brown body and a distinctive dark line running through her eye. Redheads, like gadwalls, are dabblers, preferring to feed in shallow water where they can access aquatic plants, seeds and invertebrates. But unlike the more adaptable gadwall, the redhead shows a particular preference for open water habitats. You'll often find them on large lakes, coastal bays and marshes with plenty of open water, where they can dive and feed with ease. These habitats, while rich in food, also expose redheads to potential threats. The open water that redheads favor offers little in the way of cover from predators. Hawks, eagles and owls all pose a threat to these ducks, particularly during the vulnerable nesting season. To mitigate these dangers, redheads have developed a number of strategies. They are exceptionally strong flyers, capable of rapid takeoffs that allow them to evade aerial predators. On the water, they rely on their agility and speed to outmaneuver threats. Redheads also exhibit fascinating nesting behavior. While they typically build their own nests, they sometimes engage in a practice known as brood parasitism. This involves laying their eggs in the nests of other duck species, leaving the unsuspecting foster parents to raise their young. While this might seem like a cunning strategy, it comes with its own set of risks. The host duck might reject the foreign eggs, or the redhead ducklings might face competition for food and resources from their adopted siblings. And there you have it, 7 amazing ducks, each uniquely adapted to the challenges and opportunities of their wetland homes. From the vibrant mallard to the subtly beautiful gadwall, these birds remind us of the incredible diversity of life that thrives in even the most unexpected corners of our planet. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of ducks, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more wildlife content. Your support helps us to continue exploring and sharing the wonders of the natural world. Thanks for watching and see you next time.